thankful to so many of you who have been with us. And without your support and love to HOLA SM City Pampanga, we will not be able to move here to a brighter spot.
Nanamabo kabalan, welcome to Where Pampanga!
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Pampanga. And tingnan naman natin sa likod natin, HOLA is moving to the brighter spot.
Guys, we want to show you and take you to this celebration. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
As we open this business, it is a brighter spot that will give us a brighter future. So, ulitin ko po, ang business nito, this is for the expansion of God's kingdom here on earth. So, we are so happy that the favor of God is upon us. And as we celebrate together, lahat po na nandito ngayon who are celebrating with us, we believe that the same favor that we have, it has a rippling effect. Dadali po sa bawat isa. So, welcome sa bawat isa. God bless you.
So, I pray na as you like and love HOLA, that every goodness in you will shine. Thank you so much and congratulations.
My wish for you is all the best is for you and your family and your siblings. Thank you, Lord.
Okay, practice lang yan. Ngayon naman, mas ma-energy! Next step. Social distancing.
Left, left, right, right. Three, two, one. You may now don the ribbon.